Did you know that asparagus, this lean green machine, has been celebrated for its medicinal properties for over 2,000 years? Yes, you heard it right. Long before your favorite Instagram influencer was touting the benefits of green smoothies, our ancestors were already hip to the game. Asparagus has been a darling of the health food world since the time of the ancient Greeks and Romans, and for good reason. This slender spear is not just a feast for the eyes, but also a powerhouse of nutrients. Packed with vitamins and minerals, it's got a long list of health benefits that would make even the most dedicated fitness guru raise an eyebrow. From improving blood clotting, regulating blood pressure, to enhancing sexual health and even fighting cancer, asparagus is the unsung hero of the vegetable world. But that's not all. Over the next 10 minutes, we're going to take a deep dive into the world of asparagus and explore the 17 amazing health benefits that this humble stalk can bring to your table. So tighten your seatbelts because you're in for a surprising journey. Now, let's dive into the 17 surprising health benefits of asparagus. At first glance, asparagus might look like just another vegetable, but don't be fooled. This unassuming green stalk is a veritable powerhouse of nutrients. Let's dive into the first 4 health benefits of asparagus, all tied to its impressive nutrient composition. First off, asparagus is packed with vitamin K, a crucial nutrient that aids in blood clotting. This is the body's way of preventing excessive bleeding both inside and outside the body. So next time you nick yourself shaving, remember asparagus has got your back. Next up, we have blood pressure regulation. This slender green plant is a good source of potassium, a mineral known for helping to lower blood pressure by balancing out the negative effects of salt. Now, we're not saying asparagus is your free pass to go wild on the salt shaker, but it's definitely a helpful ally in the battle against hypertension. Moving on, asparagus is a friend to the urinary tract. It contains asparagine, an amino acid that acts as a natural diuretic, increasing urination. This helps to flush out excess salts and fluids from the body, keeping your urinary tract healthy and reducing the risk of infections. Finally, let's talk about cholesterol. Asparagus is rich in soluble fiber. This type of fiber attracts cholesterol in your digestive system and gets it out of your body before it can be absorbed. Think of it as the bouncer at the club of your digestive system, showing cholesterol the exit. With these benefits, it seems like asparagus is already a superhero. But wait, there's more. Who doesn't want to lose a few pounds and keep their gut happy? Well, asparagus is here to help. Let's dive right into how this green gem can aid in weight loss. Asparagus is low in calories and high in fiber, making it a perfect addition to any weight loss diet. The fiber content makes you feel full, reducing your urge to snack on unhealthy foods. Plus, it's packed with nutrients, so you're not skimping on your daily vitamin intake. But the magic of asparagus doesn't stop there. It also promotes digestive health. How, you ask? Well, asparagus acts as a natural diuretic, helping to flush out excess salt and fluids from your body. This not only reduces bloating, but also aids in maintaining a healthy urinary tract. And if you thought that was impressive, wait until you hear this. Asparagus is a source of prebiotics, which are types of fiber that feed the beneficial bacteria in your gut. This helps to maintain a balanced gut microbiome, which is essential for overall digestive health. Talk about a gut-friendly superhero. Now let's move on to our next benefit, boosting immunity. Asparagus is rich in antioxidants and vitamins like vitamin C that strengthen the immune system. So not only does it help keep you in shape and your gut happy, but it also keeps those pesky colds and flus at bay. And lastly, for this scene, let's touch on how asparagus can enhance sexual health. Asparagus is rich in folate, a vitamin that helps increase your production of histamine. Histamine plays a vital role in a healthy sex drive for both men and women. So you could say that asparagus adds a little spark to your life in more ways than one. So not only does asparagus help you look good, but it also helps you feel good, and it doesn't stop there. Expecting mothers and those with kidney concerns, listen up. The humble asparagus has a lot to offer you. Let's delve into how this green spear can support pregnancy and kidney health, among other benefits. One of the key nutrients found in asparagus is folate, also known as folic acid. This nutrient is crucial during the early stages of pregnancy, helping to form the neural tube. It can also help prevent major birth defects of the baby's brain and spine. So, for those of you who are expecting or trying to conceive, adding asparagus to your diet could provide a natural boost of this vital nutrient. Now let's talk kidneys. Anyone who's ever had a kidney stone knows it's an experience to avoid at all costs. Here's where our green friend steps in. Asparagus is known to help prevent the formation of kidney stones. It's worth noting, however, that this doesn't apply to uric acid stones. So while it's not a one-size-fits-all solution, it's certainly a step in the right direction for many. But the benefits of asparagus don't stop there. As it turns out, this vegetable is a bit of a warrior in the battle against cancer. Asparagus is packed with antioxidants, substances that help fend off damaging free radicals in the body. While it's not a magic bullet, incorporating antioxidant-rich foods like asparagus into a balanced diet can contribute to overall cancer prevention strategies. Last, but certainly not least, let's talk about bone health. Asparagus is a good source of vitamin K, which plays a crucial role in bone health. It helps our bodies to absorb calcium, the building block of bones and teeth. So if you want to keep your skeleton strong, consider adding some asparagus to your plate. From the womb to the kidneys, asparagus has got you covered. But there's still more to uncover. Stay tuned as we continue our deep dive into the health benefits of asparagus. Feeling tired, worried about your liver, or want to keep your mind sharp? Asparagus has something for you too. Let's start with energy. Ever felt like a deflated balloon by mid-afternoon? You're not alone. But here's the good news. Asparagus might just be your perfect pick-me-up. This green goddess is packed with vitamins and minerals that can help boost your energy levels. It's like nature's very own energy drink, minus the sugar crash. Now let's talk about your liver. It's a hard-working organ, tirelessly detoxifying your body. But guess what? Asparagus is here to lend a hand. It's like a supportive friend, helping to protect your liver from damage. How? Well, it contains certain compounds that have been found to help maintain liver health. So next time you're cooking up a storm, remember to invite asparagus to the party. Your liver will thank you. Finally, let's dive into cognitive function. In simpler terms, that's your brain's ability to remember, learn, concentrate, and make decisions. And asparagus, it's like a personal trainer for your brain. It's rich in antioxidants, which can help fight off harmful free radicals that can damage brain cells. Plus, it contains folate, which plays a crucial role in maintaining mental agility. So if you're looking to keep your mind as sharp as a tack, asparagus could be the brain food you've been searching for. So there you have it, 17 surprising health benefits of asparagus. It's more than just a side dish, isn't it? So the next time you're at the grocery store, don't pass by the asparagus. It's a nutrient powerhouse that offers a host of health benefits. Just to jog your memory, these slender green stalks are a rich source of vitamins, minerals, and fiber. They can help regulate your blood pressure, reduce cholesterol levels, and even aid in weight loss, but that's not all. Asparagus can also promote a healthy digestive system, boost your immune system, and enhance your overall energy levels. For the expectant mothers out there, asparagus can provide essential support during pregnancy. It's also been known to prevent kidney stones, fight off certain types of cancer, and improve bone health. And if you're worried about the effects of aging, this humble vegetable can also protect your liver and improve cognitive function. So why not give asparagus a chance? Incorporate it into your meals and you might just be amazed at the difference it can make to your health. If you enjoyed this video and want to learn more about the surprising health benefits of everyday foods, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. We promise to keep your body and mind nourished with knowledge.